Good morning guys, it's me again, Leticia's Kitchen. For today's vlog guys, magluluto ako ng shark fin with abalone. So abalone is already there, I opened already, and now pwede na natin ilagay sa sabaw yung shark fin. Kasi nagawa ko na yung shark fin, yung sabaw niya ay chicken soup with oyster sauce and more ingredients. At saka yan yung fish maw. Ayan, ilalagay ko na rin ang fish maw to the shark fin. So ayan na guys, together na yan, ilalaga natin yan hanggang sa maluto
So
siya.
ito yung
And
shark
then
fin
maglalagay
skin.
din ako
Na-boil
dyan
ko
ng
na yan.
shark fin
Bago ko nilagay
skin.
yan sa
So ayan na yung shark fin skin, and then inad ko na yung abalone in can. So ayan na guys, so it's ready to serve na yan. Thank you for watching. Bye, God bless. Please don't forget to click like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.